Good morning. How's everyone doing? What play-doh fun shall we have today? Let's have a think. Yes, I have an idea. I'm going to show you how to make a funny octopus. First, we take purple colour. The octopus has tentacles, so we'll start with them. Do you know how many tentacles octopuses have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will use the rest of the purple play-doh to make the body. I will leave one side round and the other, I squash it down like this. I've already made 2 eyes, and here's the mouth. I will decorate the head of my octopus with pink dots. The tentacles are not ready yet. We have to add the suction cups, which will be yellow. And the last tentacle. Now I'm going to attach the tentacles to the octopus body. That's it! Our octopus is ready. Did you enjoy this video? Then give it a like. Then try and make an octopus of your own. What colour will it be? See you later!